Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and verifying it with a tester. This keeps the job safe. Once the breaker is off, remove the cover plate and check for loose screws or debris. Small particles often block movement. Next, back out the mounting screws just enough to let the switch move free. Do not remove wiring. If the toggle is stuck, free it gently by hand while supporting the switch body, because rough force can break plastic components or bend contacts. Once you have the switch out, you pull it forward and keep wires labeled so reassembly is simple. Look closely at the actuator and spring. Corrosion, paint, or grime often causes jamming. Use compressed air to blow out dust, then apply a small amount of silicone spray to moving parts. Never use oil that attracts dirt. Work the toggle gently to distribute lubricant. If contacts are corroded, clean with a small brush or replace the switch, because worn contacts create unsafe operation. You reseat the switch into the box, tighten mounting screws evenly, and reinstall the cover plate to avoid stressing the toggle. Once done, restore power and test the switch 3 to 5 times. Smooth, consistent action confirms success. If it still binds or sparks, make sure the box is not overcrowded and that wires and ground are secure. As a final step, replace the entire switch mechanism if cleaning fails, because replacement is inexpensive and ensures reliable, code-compliant operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.